Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most unique products on the market. Today, we're showcasing the best pencil lip gloss containers, the Blueloop 24 PC's 5ml pencil lip gloss tubes. If you've been looking for a fun and practical way to store your DIY lip gloss, these pencil-shaped containers are the perfect solution. These lip gloss tubes feature a cute and novelty pencil design, making them not only functional but also adorable. The transparent plastic body allows you to easily check the remaining amount of product, which is super convenient when you're on the go. With a capacity of 5ml, they are compact enough to carry around in your purse without taking up much space. One of the standout features of these lip gloss tubes is their refillable design. This makes them an excellent option for creating your own personalized lip gloss. Whether you're experimenting with different colors or simply need a way to store your favorite gloss, these tubes can handle it all. Plus, they come with soft brush heads that ensure smooth and easy application, giving you a comfortable user experience every time. Another great thing about these pencil-shaped containers is their practicality. The spiral mouth design prevents leakage, so you don't have to worry about your lip gloss spilling in your bag. Whether you're traveling, heading to the office, or just running errands, these tubes are perfect for everyday use. And with 24 pieces in the pack, you'll have plenty to share with friends, family, or even as fun gifts. Made from safe, reliable plastic, these tubes are designed to hold liquid products without any issues. They're lightweight, durable, and perfect for those who love to create their own cosmetic products. Whether you're using them for lip gloss, lip balm, or even other DIY cosmetic creations, these pencil lip gloss tubes are versatile and easy to use. In conclusion, if you're looking for a unique, practical, and fun way to store your lip gloss, the Blueloop 24 PC's 5ml pencil lip gloss tubes are the best option. With their cute design, refillable feature, and durable build, these containers make it easy to carry and apply your lip gloss wherever you go. Be sure to grab yours and start creating your personalized gloss today. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. We'll see you next time with more amazing finds.